Saan tayo pupunta?
I don't know.
Mag-search ka na.
Ikaw na mag-isip. Ayaw ko napagod na ako. Oh my God. Nagka-tweet siya.
A few moments later.
Gamitin natin yung app. Para sa mga taong hirap makapili and don't know where to go, let this app help you find your perfect cafe. So just open the maps and then click the randomizer button and then wait for a while. And boom! There you go! Another relationship saved!